If your Canva colors look perfect on screen, but totally different when printed or exported, yeah, that's a color profile issue. Let's fix it the right way. Quick basics. Canva designs in RGB, which is for screens, but printing uses CMYK, and that's where colors can shift. Bright colors in RGB don't always exist in CMYK, so they get adjusted during print. First fix, always export using PDF print when you're designing for print. This keeps colors more accurate compared to PNG or JPG. While you're there, turn on crop marks and bleed. It helps printers handle edges properly and avoids unexpected color trimming. Here's the big one. Avoid overly bright or neon colors. If it looks too vibrant on screen, it'll probably print dull. Try slightly muted tones instead. You can also tweak colors manually to match print output better. Lower saturation a bit and test different shades before exporting. Don't skip this. Always do a test print. It's the only way to see how your colors actually come out. For more accuracy, you can convert your design using external tools, export from Canva, then convert to CMYK using professional software if needed. So yeah, design in RGB, export as PDF print, avoid super bright colors, and always test before printing. Do that, and your colors should look way more consistent.